Turkey Tuesday, sponsored in part by RSI, the Refrigeration School.
Hi, everyone. We are back taking over commercial breaks to talk about our Turkey Tuesday campaign to benefit St. Vincent de Paul. We have so many donations coming in. Look at all of this food. It is going to needy people, which is amazing. Now, Casino Arizona and Talking Stick Resort are also sponsoring Turkey Tuesday, and Ramon is here to tell us more about that. And tell me why it was so important for you guys to get involved in the Turkey Tuesday campaign.
Well, Casino Arizona and Talking Stick Resort have always supported the community in which we operate, but we also have a vision to and we have for over 20 years expanded out, reaching into charitable organizations that service the Phoenix metro area. So to get involved with what's happening today, especially because the price of food's going up, there's people in need. We just want to be a part of that.
Yeah, and you guys are doing more than that, in fact, because you guys are matching donation. We've heard Tram at the food bank and the phone bank talking, and everybody's calling in. You guys are matching donation.
Right, from now till 6 or from 4. Yeah, it's already after 4.
Yeah.
From now till 6:30, we'll be matching up to $10,000.
But that's not all you're doing. You're doing something really cool. Do you like scratchers? I like scratchers. I love scratchers. And you guys are doing something special that's also helping out.
Yes, partnering with Channel 12 and the St. Vincent de Paul Food Bank, we're doing the Turkey Tuesday, which is going all the way to November 23rd, where if you come into either location, Casino Arizona or Talking Stick Resort, bring a non-perishable food item as a donation, you will get a scratcher's card. And you can win up to $50,000 off a scratcher card.
So you could end up donating and then winning $50,000 and then donating even more, everybody. How great would that be? Which is amazing. And you're also doing different things too, of course, at your locations.
Yes, of course. I mean, as far as the food drives, is that what you're talking about? Different things?
Yes, the food drives. And of course, you come in with the scratcher. And you have events, of course, all month long.
Oh, yes. I mean, we're open. We're full bore right now. We're bringing in top-notch entertainment. The restaurants are open. So things are going really good. And we just want to give back to the community.
Yeah, and people are giving back. Take a look at this board. We have some RSI students here. They've been writing down donation. Right now, we have Jackson Family Wines. They've made a $2,500 donation, Campari, a $2,500 donation, and then Diageo, $2,500 donation, and Woodbridge Wines also made a $2,500 donation. And don't forget, everyone, if you donate today, Talking Stick Resort and Casino Arizona will match that donation. But you don't have a lot of time, so do it now. Call the number on your screen. You can also text Turkey to 474747.
Thank you for watching our Turkey Tuesday coverage, sponsored in part by RSI and Stratotech Education.